So here's a movie to show how we're going to create catalogue pages. There's two things I want to show you in this movie. One is that we can create pages reasonably quickly using a nice plugin. But the second thing, and maybe the most important thing, is that we can create really great creative looking pages. One of the things I often hear when I discuss data publishing with marketing people is they're concerned that the pages are always going to be a very gridded layout in the style that I'm showing you here. So this is very good for this kind of thing. You can see the design here coming together very, very quickly using one template, and we have a lovely gridded design. But clients often want to engage with their customers on a more sort of emotional level, so they want to have pages which are much more designed. So here I'm going to show you how, using the same techniques, we can do that. We're using, rather than using one template to create a standardized product, a bit of information every time, now we're using a suite of templates. So I've added the product information on here, and I can use the same products but a different template to add the numbers to match to a picture. So here I have a nice background picture, but I'm placing the information using a template on top, but in a way that's not strictly templated. And as you can see, it's still, you get the benefit of the speed of the design, and you also get the benefit that all this information is still linked to the original data source. So if your data changes, you can change your content very quickly. But we're getting a much more flexible layout here, getting something that's more designed. And so, as you can see, one page with sort of a nice background picture, and I can put those texts anywhere I like. On the other page here, I've put 3 bottles at the top with the information underneath, so the pictures, the numbers, and the text are all sort of linked. And I put even a hero product on there. But we don't just have to put stuff on the template. See, we can mix it with other content that we've gathered from elsewhere. So here I'm adding some just some sort of filler stuff in. This is the kind of stuff that you wouldn't necessarily want to capture in your data. It's stuff that's only going to be used one-off in a magazine or something. If there's no point capturing all that information, and unless you're going to republish it umpteen times, we can just chuck it on here. But you can see how, using this data publishing techniques, we've created a page here which is pretty creative. I mean, you could go an awful lot more designer than this, but I'm pretty happy with that page. I think that's pretty marvellous. And on top of that, we can then just tweak everything, spend a little while making it look nice. Thank you very much.